Have you ever heard something called about digital marketing or online marketing or whatever that it deals with marketing products online? Well, it is a familiar word nowadays that people are trained just to be online marketing agents. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about Goldmine Agency Limited. It's a company, uh, it's an agency limited which is located here in Kenya. And the way it works is that you are trained to work for them and then you get paid. So the payment depends on how much effort or how much work you put into it. So let's get started. So this is the Facebook page. It's called Goldmine Agencies Limited, and I will leave the link in the description box below. So the first thing that you will do is to click that link in the description box, and then it will bring up to you to a page that looks like this. So just a disclaimer that some links they're kind of similar like this, so I just insist that you use the link in the description below. So once you are in this Goldmine agency, now I'm going to show you on how you can use their platform to make money. So the first thing that you have to do is to register, and you register using your full names, your surname, your email, and then the country, your phone number, password. And then the next thing which is required of you is to uh, pay an activation fee of 1,000 shillings. I'll tell you where this comes in handy. So once you have done all the registration and paid all their activation fee, which is 1,000 Kenyan shillings, it will bring you to a web page that looks like this, and then you click get started. Okay, so the 1,000 shillings that you have paid are used for kind of ensuring that you are in the business and serious about that registration to their website. So once you register to their website, the your dashboard will look like this. It's kind of very simple, and it might be looking very complicated, but it's very simple. So the first way that you can make money through this platform is by spins. Usually the spins are like uh, kind of betting, but in this platform there's a bet spin where you put some cash and bet. There's a free spin which is offered weekly that you can earn some cash. There's a registration spin. This one is once you have registered, you'll be able to access that spin and get some cash. So there's a free spin which is offered weekly, and a bet spin which you pay cash and then you spin the wheel. And the spins look like this. Let's go to bet spin, and I'll show you that these are the opportunities that you can get. You can earn up to 2,400 just by a spin. 2,000, 1,900, all those are here. You can earn from them. Okay, so for those who will be interested, you'll just comment below, and I will give you a step-to-step tutorial on how you can use these spins. Okay, that's the first way that you can earn from here. The second way that you can earn from this website is called selling. You become a sales agent. A sales agent is where you will be selling these digital products like SMSs to your clients, and you'll get some benefit from what you sold, kind of like an affiliate, where you'll get some profit, which is in a percentage form. So you can be a sales agent, and also the next always for most people right now it will be the blogs. There's the blogs, there's the surveys, which are done here. So the blogs are kind of simple, and in this video I'm just going to give an overview. In writing a blogs, you will just write whatever that you will feel like you need to post, to write about a story, and mostly they prefer writing a blog about this platform or a blog about the events which they did. You can write as many blogs as you can, and then you submit them through their email, which for those who will be interested, you will just comment below. I'll give you a step-to-step tutorial on this platform. And then once you submit in the blogs which you have written, you will first write them and submit them. Here you will get the links, and then you submit them to the email, or you submit them here, which is submit email, and then you paste your link here, and then they will review your blog. After reviewing your blog, they will approve it. For all those blogs which will be approved, you'll earn 100 shillings per each. So 100 shillings per every blog that you created. You'll earn 100 shillings for every blog. So the simple way that you can do is just come here and click add posts. Once you click add posts, you write your blogs. You can use every thing that you want to post in that blog, the image and everything. Once you complete, you will get an URL. The URL you will come and put it in that place here, submit blog link, and then you'll wait for its review. Once it's reviewed, and then you'll be cashed with the 100 shillings. The next and always almost the best is called academic writing. I know that many of you have heard about academic writing, which is the link is here. In Goldmine, you are given a topic. Each day you are given a topic, right, to do an academic writing about it. And then for every accepted academic writing, you get paid for it. So here, like today, they've given this topic. Write 2 pages. Do not Google or use AI. Explain the features in Goldmine Agency Limited that whatever affiliate marketing. So whatever, you just write it in a PDF form, or you can write it in a WordPress or Word, and then you convert it into a PDF. Once you do that, you come and submit the file here. Once you do that, you will they will review your work, and then you will earn some cash. So after doing the academic writing, the next way is the one which I wanted to tell you. It's called an affiliate of this platform. So remember, when you register to this platform, or when you are going to register to this platform, you are going to pay 1,000 shillings, Kenyan shillings, and that one is used to make sure that you are focused on this platform. So in this case, once you refer a person, the person will also pay 1,000 shillings. So there are 1,000 shillings which your referral pay. You will get a commission from the 1,000 shillings which your referral has paid. So the thing goes on and on, and then they have levels of referrals. So every 1,000 shillings for those who will join, who you refer to join, they will pay 1,000 shillings and will get a big percentage of the commission from that 1,000 shillings. So This is Goldman Agencies. For those who are interested to invest here and work here fully, you can make some cash from these websites, and it only needs some dedication, and also you also need to be more and more creative and more social to invite your referrals. So the best place where you can earn a living or much, or what people use, is this referral program which they use. So you can check in the description below for the link to join, and for those who are interested, just comment below and I'll give you a step-to-step tutorial and tell you more about this platform. In my next video, we are also going to talk about how we are going to earn by writing. So stick around.